Welcome to Palm Beach, Aruba. Whether you've never been here before or you've been here 100 times, I really hope you're going to enjoy this walk down Palm Beach. We're starting at the Palm Piers. This is Coconuts. It's a gift shop. You can get everything from sunscreen to hats to swimsuit covers. It's a really cute little gift shop. Also down here, you're gonna find the aloe vera shop, which has lotions and soaps and anything you need for skincare. Then you have the Cuban cigars. The Cuban cigars here are really, really good. Why? They come from Cuba. But I would also recommend trying the Aruban Cuban cigars. Now, here's Bugaloe. It is a great restaurant. Listen, guys, one tip. You can get drinks here for half the price of what your hotel on the beach is charging you. They also have a great mahi-mahi or grouper sandwich, and it really is inexpensive. So I want you guys to sit back. If you're watching this in the evening, grab a drink, enjoy the sand and the sea. If it's in the morning, hopefully this will wake you up and it'll put you into a great mood. To my current subscribers, I am so sorry it has been a few months since I have posted a video. We're getting everything together and we're editing, so a lot more videos are going to be coming in the future. We were on a new venture and I will be telling you guys about that soon, not in this video. So I ask for your forgiveness, and if you're new to this channel, we would love for you to subscribe. We try to give so much information about Aruba, about God, about working out, about nutrition. If it hasn't come yet, it will be coming soon. I don't know about you, but I can't picture a more perfect place that God created, where the sea meets the sand, and it's all for our pleasure. Woo! Thank you, God. Coming up to the right of your screen, you're going to see Airheads. It's a wonderful thing to do with the kids, or if you have a few people. that want a little bit of an adventure during the day in that beautiful water. The water is about 77 degrees. You can't get better than that. And it's low waves today, so I would recommend renting those. They'll hook it up to a boat, go out in the water, and have some fun. I'm walking up here. We're coming up to some pricing. Hopefully you guys can see it on the screen. Not too bad. Pretty fair prices. I could look at this water all day long. Right now I just want to jump in there with everybody else. But no, I'm going to be recording for you guys. Could those clouds be any more perfect? Don't you just wish you were in that water right now? I know I do. Oh, we're coming up onto Ocean Faith. Again, it's where you can rent out for water sports. Obviously, I'm a little, let's say partial to the name. Now we're coming up to Delphi Water Sports. It's one thing at this beach, you have many places to choose from for your water sports. So I would definitely recommend price each one out. See which one you can get the best price at, and you go from there. here we go, another place to rent for water sports. So on Palm Beach, you have the Ritz-Carlton, you have the Marriott, you have the Holiday Inn, you have the Hilton, you have the Hyatt, you have the Rio. Now, guys, I may say this wrong. You guys may make some comments that I mispronounced, but you have Barcellos. Some people say Barcelos. So you definitely have an array of different hotels, different pricing, price them out. I have to tell you, I have stayed at most of these hotels. They're all great. The staff, the rooms, the beds. I really don't find much of a difference between any of them. They all have the palapas and they all have the same beach. And isn't that why we're here? Well, guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and leave me a comment. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Ayo! That is goodbye in Papiamento, the island language.